welcome back to my channel. I'm here back with Dominic.
Hi.
So today we are going to be trying Asian snacks. Are you excited?
Kinda.
The first thing we have is this. It's called Hello Kitty Lodi Pie. Okay, so it's like chocolate looking. Ready? Bite it.
Very good.
What does it taste like?
Regular chocolate.
It tastes like paper. Take another bite.
I already took my other bite.
Take one more.
Oh my god.
Next item is a drink. It's called Ramoon. How do you say that? Ramoon? And it's premium carbonated soft drink, melon flavor.
I don't want to drink it.
Why?
I don't want to. I don't want to drink it.
Why?
I don't want to.
Why? Does it look nasty?
Yeah, let's see. I'll just take one sip. One sip.
Okay. I'm gonna open it first.
Me first. Me first.
Okay, hold on.
If I don't like it, I'm gonna throw it up.
Please don't.
I'll throw it up on you.
No. I don't. There's like a ball right here. Wait, hold on. I think you have to do something. Wait, I think you have to pop it open or something.
There. We opened
It
it.
didn't open. Wait, come do it. You can't even open it. Hold on. Wait, with this? What? Here, do it. We had to get someone else to open it for us.
No.
Here, drink it.
No.
Why?
No.
Drink it.
No.
Okay, you want me to take the first drink?
Yeah.
Alright, ready? It's good. It tastes like soda. I spilled all over myself.
Oh. Sour.
It's sour.
Kind of sour.
I like it. Tastes like Mountain Dew.
Let me get some regular Mountain Dew.
Yeah, right. That's good. The next item we have is onion rings. Onion flavored rings.
Oh,
They're called...
I love those.
I don't know how to say that. I'm guessing they're gonna taste like Funyuns, right? Ready? We're gonna bite it. They taste like Funyuns. Huh. They're good. I like these. The next item is roasted seaweed snacks.
No. I can't eat it.
Yes, you can.
I'm allergic to them.
No, you're not. Denise, is your son allergic to seaweed?
Nope.
Ah!
Dang it!
Burn. Okay. It's sea salt flavored.
Ew, I don't like sea salt.
You don't even know what sea salt is.
Yes,
What is it?
salt.
Salt. There's salt in everything. Okay, ready? It's just like candy. Just imagine it's candy. There you go.
No.
You have to. Let's take a bite. Ready?
I ate a bite.
It's good. Bite it. You have to.
One bite.
Do it for the YouTube. Shake a bite. Cheater. Here.
Yeah.
What do you think about it? This one is called Pocky. It actually looks kind of good.
Yeah, it does.
It's strawberry cream covered biscuit sticks. Here's one for you, one for me. Ready? Bite it. Wait, what? Oh. It tastes like bread with strawberries on it.
I ate the whole thing.
Do you like it?
It's very good.
Here. Eat 3 more.
What?
They're stuck. You have to eat them. Do you like them? Okay. The last thing we have is called Yan Yan. I'm guessing it's gonna be kind of the same, but this one's vanilla and it's a different brand. But it looks good to me, so. Oh! This one you dip it. Are you done chewing? Okay, this one's for you. This one's for me. Ready? This is really good.
Yeah, you should try this. Really good.
Okay, so we have tried everything. What was your favorite thing out of everything?
The vanilla.
This? Actually, I think this was my favorite thing because they taste good.
Ew!
Was this your least favorite?
No.
What was it? Well, what did you hate the most?
The seaweed.
The seaweed.
Yeah.
I think I hated this the most because it was like just like cardboard. Oh, that was nasty.
Well, and even when you try to like rip it off and you think it's really easy,
It's really not, huh?
yeah, it's like coming off really soft. And yeah, you guys shouldn't try that. It's really disgusting.
I'm gonna try any of this stuff.
Yeah, you should try all of this and try all of it because it really will taste disgusting. But
You want them to try something that's disgusting?
no,
I like this.
it's like beer.
No, it's not. It's soda.
It's soda. Beer.
Do you think I would give you beer? You think I would give you beer? You're 6 years old, kid. So good. Ava! Princess Eva! You're drinking it. You obviously like it. Is there anything you want to tell YouTube?
Thanks for watching. Bye! Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my auntie's channel.
Thanks for watching.